kapuso, kapatid, kaibigan, kapitbahay, kalaro, kabarkada, at higit sa lahat, mga katelebisyon! Tama po, sa gabing ito, sama-sama po tayo mag-celebrate kasama ang Philippine Movie Press Club sa pagkilala sa Best of the Best programs ng 2024.
Makabuluhang gabi ito para sa industriya ng telebisyon. For us Filipinos, television is life. At sa gabing ito, buhay na buhay ang telebisyon sa puso ng bawat isa as we pay tribute to television excellence via the most durable and longest-lasting television awards in Philippine history. Welcome to the 38th PMPC Star Awards for Television.
Papa P, if there's one genre sa television na talagang super bilib ako every time I watch, ito yung documentaries and public affairs program. Kasi isa ito sa pinakamahirap na role na gampanan when it comes to television.
Tama ka dyan, Kimi. Kaya naman hindi nawawala ang mga categories na ito sa mga kinikilala ng PMPC. Also in this segment, we will induct a documentary program into the PMPC.
My fellow actors because they keep TV viewing on higher ground.
That is right, Kim. Pero may mas intense pa dyan ang labanan. And that is for the Signature Glamour Award of the PMPC. The male and female stars of the night. And here to present these awards and announce the winners are PMPC President Mel Navarro and Past President Mel Ballanera and the Honorable Mayor of the City of Malabon, Jeannie Sandoval.
Ano? I think this is my second year to win the Male Star of the Night for PMPC. Last year po, nanalo din po ako, so maraming salamat po. Kota na po ako siguro sa inyo ngayong gabi. Salamat din po sa pinakita po akong ampaw. Ayaw lang yabat ni Madam. Pero thank you po. Magandang gabi po. Thank you so much.
And the female star of the night is Miss Kim Chu.
Yung ampaw po. Para sure. Kung kay Pachoy. Charot lang. Maraming salamat po para sa hindi po tayo nagpunta dito para hindi maging star. Charot lang, hindi. Pero thank you po, PMPC. Maraming salamat sa naka-appreciate sa glam team ko. I love you so much. Thank you.
Love you,
I love you too. Salamat po. Ay, ito na yung ampaw. Salamat po. Salamat po, Papi.
John and Marsha. And the star for Best Comedy Actress goes to, of course, the Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano, 3-in-1, net 25.
Presenting the trophy and cash prize from the PMPC. PRO Blessing Sirela, together with Binibining Playtime Samantha Acosta and PR Director Ms. Krisha Cortez.
Hindi po ako si Maricel, magkamukha lang po kami. Hindi. Unang minahal si Ate Maria ay sa larangan ng telebisyon. No? Kaliskus Musmos, John and Marsha, kasama niya ang Daddy Dolphy, The Maricel Drama Special, marami pang iba. Nakakatuwa kasi hanggang ngayon, patuloy siyang nakatanggap na mataas na parangal sa larangan ng telebisyon. So, it is my great honor to receive and accept this award on behalf of the Diamond Star, Maricel Soriano. And of course, she would like to share this to her 3-in-1 family. She would like also to thank PMPC Star Awards for this recognition. At syempre, sa lahat ng fans at sumusuporta kay Ate Maria, para po sa inyo to, maraming salamat po. And syempre, maraming salamat kasi meron po tayong may pa-bonus. Oo, at merong isa dito, I'm sure, hindi siya papayag ng ako lang o sa Ate Maria lang may pa-bonus. Kailangan tawagin po natin si Mr. Roderick Paulate.
Salamat, Playtime. Talaga playtime niyo ako Akala ko wala meron pala.
Parehas kayo ni Ate Mariano.
Alam mo naman kaming dalawa lagi mong kasama. Thank you very much, Playtime. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Playtime.
Sige.
We will now be giving out another special Glamour Award as reward for all of us na nag-effort to be at their best. And to help us announce the winners for the male and female celebrities of the night, please welcome Ms. Moril Eco, President and CEO Eco Mix Construction and Development Corporation, and Ms. Sheila Go of Seashell Island Beach Resort, Island Garden, City of Samal, Davao del Norte.
The male celebrity of the night goes to Mr.
Maraming salamat po dito sa PMBC and thank you very much for staying. God bless you.
Female celebrity of the night is Miss Janine Gutierrez.
Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat po dahil meron po akong may uuwi. Thank you and salamat po sa PMBC. Thank you po.
More stars, glitters, and awards are coming up when the 38 Star Awards for Television continues.